knowing my dame on ass, I will probably go out with this on my head. I'm this kind of extra. And I don't care if you don't like it. This wing liner can freaking kill someone. This right here can kill your dame a soul. Thank you. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recreate this makeup right here. I decided to do something a little bit more different than usual and to use colors that in the everyday type of makeup I do not use. I don't usually use a lot of yellow and orange color, and my wing liner is usually not that drastic, but I really like this type of makeup, and yes, I will go out with this makeup. I don't care if people like it or not. And yes, I do have this little thing in my hair that I did by myself. Kind of proud. Yes, I am. I did go to the dollar store and bought some flowers and bought the thing that goes in your hair, you know. I don't remember how you name it, but whatever. I glued the flowers on it and that's it. It's original. It's different and I like it, you know. So if you want to know how I did this one and you want to do it, well, just go see the video. So as always, the first step is to prime our face, and I'm gonna go with my Cover FX Illuminating Primer. I'm gonna go with the foundation from CoverGirl, the Vitalis Elixir. I think that's how I'm supposed to pronounce this. I don't know. So well, the foundation is a little bit too light for me. I think I got it done since the last time I tried this one. I'm gonna go with something a little bit more dark. I'm gonna go with the Healthy Foundation from Physician Formula in the color MW2. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this because the foundation is a little bit too pale. I'm really proud. For once in my life, I'm not a ghost. Bam! The problem is fixed now, and we're gonna continue. Oh my god, there's a spider on the wall. Bitch, I'm scared! Bitch! I ain't gonna live here. Sorry, I'm back. I didn't go kill the spider. Okay. I'm gonna go apply under my eyes my concealer from Sephora. This one is in the color Palmier, and what? How tired I am, like, this is a real question. And this one is the gel. I'm really tired, okay? Please don't judge me. Thank you. This one is the Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer. A tiny bit because I just want to highlight at the same time under my eyes and just a little bit there. So just a tiny bit. I'm gonna go with the loose powder from Huda Beauty, and this one, the name is Sugar Cookie. Ooh. And these ones smell so good. I'm gonna continue with the brows, and as always I'm doing this off camera and I will be back. The brows are done, guys, and I used the pencil from Annabelle, the brow pencil from Annabelle in the color Universal Light. The color is a little bit lighter than usually what I use, but I was thinking it will fit well the makeup of today, so that's what I decided to do, okay? And under the brows, I use another brow product. This one is from Benefit. It's the Highbrow. This one right here. And this one is creamy and very light. It's like a pink very nude light pink. And what it does, it's that it's bringing light under your brows, so everything is a little bit more light and your brows are really looking good. So for the yellow makeup today, I'm gonna use the palette from NYX. This one is the Ultimate palette, and I'm gonna use the first color right here, this bright yellow right there. And with a flat brush, I'm gonna go all over my eyes with this color right here. So next color that I'm gonna use is this darker yellow right there. And I'm gonna use a blending brush and just go in the crease to intensify all of this. And for the next eyeshadow, I'm gonna use another blending brush, but this one is more small and the tip of the brush is more round. And I'm gonna pick up this color right here, this like dark orange, and just a little bit, tiny bit, I'm gonna go in the external corner of my eyes, just in the crease, and I'm gonna dab this color right there. Just like this, and after I will take back my first blending brush, the one that I use for the darker yellow, and I'm just gonna mix. And with the dark orange, I do not go further than the middle of my eyes. I just dab, and blend with the other brush. Good, so I will continue with the wing liner, and I'm gonna use this one from Wet n Wild, the Mega Liner. And I'm gonna trace a mega wing, you know? I'm gonna do the other eye and I will come back. And the wing liner is done, and yes, it's quite intense, but that was the purpose of this wing liner. I really want something more like dramatic, and as you can see, it is dramatic. So now we're gonna go under the eyes, and for the under eyes, I'm gonna use the same first brush that I use for this color right here, the really bright yellow, and I'm just gonna go right here, smudge this color under the eye, not too much, just a little bit. And I just want to apply this bright yellow just a little bit, tiny bit under the eye, not too much. And after that, I'm taking back the orange right there, and I will go close to the lashes and apply this color. I take the first brush that I use, the flat one, and I'm just gonna go mix these two together. Next step is to apply the mascara, and I will use one from Benefit. The mascara, they are real. They are real, honey. Yes, they are. I'm back with mascara and false lashes on my face. And for the mascara, I did use the Real from Benefit. And for the false lashes, I used the one from Ardell. The name is Wispies. I'm looking for a number for at least 2 minutes and I didn't find one, so I'm just gonna say that their name is Wispies. I don't know anything else. Yips. Like I said, this makeup is pretty intense, honey, with the wing liner. I decided to go for a really bold wing liner. It's usually not my type of wing, but I kind of like it, you know? Kind of. Really like it, in fact. I really like it. So now we're gonna go for the bronzer, and for this I'm gonna use the one from Too Faced in the color Medium Deep, and the name is Chocolate Soleil. I don't know, Soleil. Soleil. They write it in French? Am I dumb or am I dumb? The freaking sun, bro. Chocolate sun. I'm gonna contour a little bit with the bronzer. So I'm gonna use the bronzer as a contouring powder. And I'm just gonna... For the blush, I'm gonna use my palette from Tarte, and I'm gonna use this color right here, this pink right there. And I'm gonna go mix it after that with the bronzer slash contour. For the highlight, I'm gonna use my pencil Très Stick. The color is Maldive Luminescent. This one right here. And what I always do with this one is that before applying on my face, I'm going on the back of my hand and I'm just like warming the product so it will stick better to my face. It will be more prettier and more natural. And with my finger, I'm just applying this highlight right there. Like this. And I do not slide the product around, I'm just dabbing it on my skin. This is a way better technique than just sliding on because it is a cream product and you don't want to smudge everything. So you're gonna dab this product and it will have the effect that it is like your natural skin. Because your fingers are warm, so it just sticks better to the skin and create this illusion of like healthy skin. And I'll just bring the highlight a little bit more in the front right here, just to create that perfect like natural glow. And I will go a little bit right here, like just a little bit above my brows, and I will dab the product. And we will continue with the lips, and for the lips I will just use a lip gloss because I really want this makeup to be like summer, glossy, don't know what makeup. And I'm gonna use the Butter Gloss from NYX in the color Peach Cobbler. And now we're gonna fix the makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. That was hard. That was really hard, you know. I'm gonna go fix the air and I will be back for nothing because it's the end of the video. So that's it, guys. I am done with the makeup and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up this video and to subscribe to my channel because I will continue to do videos. But I decided today to do something more different than usual, to get out of the box, and that is the purpose of makeup. Just have fun, play with colors, and you know, be different. Every day is a new day and every day is a new chance to be somebody else, to be something else, to try new things. So on this, I really hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!